What's up guys, to another video by Slender Gamer. I'm very sorry about because I was too late. I took maybe 1 year. Actually, YouTubers only take 1 month, 2 months maybe, but I think that I break the record. Anyway, I'm very sorry about this because I was too late. And all that was because I have the exams and a lot of other stuff. So let's go to the video. We'll be doing today some Python programming. So we did Scratch and Tinkercad. Now we're gonna be doing Python. So what is Python? Of course you heard of this word. This word means a programming language that all people uses because it's simple and it's very useful. So you're moving from a beginner to a pro in programming. So in this series of videos, I'm going to be teaching you how to be dangerous in Python. So maybe, as I remember in the last video, we saw Tinkercad. How do we make the last video was about our beloved city. But anyway, now we're programming. So now we will start by a simple word. So as I said, Python is a programming language, and it has a lot of things to learn. So in this series, we're gonna be learning there's a lot of stuff to do, but we will be learning the function print, the function input, what is a list, the kinds of the information in Python, and the if conditions. So these words seems a bit familiar, right? They're in English, so if you want to understand Python, you better learn English, and it's a bit hard. But anyway, let's now get started. Try to write in there. Oops, sorry about this. Try to write in there print. See? Now try to put these two things and another of these two. So you see that the color of the word print is changed. Right? It was white and now it's blue because it's a function, right? Okay, you should put a difference between functions and other things. A function is a thing that we do to use, is an information that we use to maybe like print a word, maybe like to order the user to give us an information, and a lot of stuff. So now we should write something. Let's write maybe I am maybe like Tony Stark, I think. Tony Stark. Good. Let's click on run. This little triangle in here. Boom. I am Tony Stark. So our conclusion is that when we write print in the first line, print, and we do these stuff. I don't know actually what their name is, but anyway. And we write in there I am something, or a word or a number. The print function will put it in the output zone. Okay, here you can see I'm Tony Stark. So let's put something else, maybe like what, my PC is lagging maybe. Yeah, anyway, let's write in there subscribe. What about that? Subscribe. You need to subscribe, really, man. Subscribe! because this actually helps me a lot. Anyway, so the function print is used to write any word or any word or any number you want in the output zone. And never forget to use these two things. Okay? This is the first lesson that we need to see. And we can also stick variables to them, like name, and when we ask Python about it, they will print it back. So this is actually a pretty hard word to understand. Let's delete all this. Let's write in there name equals write something like let's write a name, maybe I don't oh my god, I know a lot of names and now I don't know any name. Okay, let's put it like Yahya. The name, but always remember to put these two things. Name equals, let's put it just right in there. Good. Let's click on enter, create another line, and let's tell them to print the variable name. Let's see now what's gonna happen. So run. Here, see? You can print any name or any number you want. Like I'm gonna print maybe like 100 and I don't know, maybe 100. And it's gonna print it back again. See? Let's print 0.5. They're gonna print it back. So this is the first function that we need to know. Now, we all have a question. Why did I put name in here? And what does a variable mean? It's weird, right? Okay, I'll explain. So now we're gonna be seeing only 3 kinds of informations in Python. There's string, int, and float. So float is for numbers like 0.5, 6.5, 100, maybe 7, and a lot of other stuff. The string, or let's say the int is only for normal numbers, like from 1 to any number you want. But float, I said floats maybe, oh my god, I forgot that. But anyway, strings are for like A, B, C, D, and letters. So let's try that. To see the type of these things, of these variables, we should write a brand new function that's called type. First, let's create a variable. I'll just call it A equals, let's say maybe 200, maybe, and let's put in there type of A. What is the type of A? Okay, the type of A, oh my god, they didn't show it. Or you can do it this way, or maybe you can just click on the variable easily. Okay, this is the way actually. So this is how you can know. This is how you can know them. And there's another function. So I'll give you an exercise. I'll give you an exercise. Okay. We want a program that can give the user, that can get the user to give us his name. So pause the video and just continue after that. Finished? Okay, I'm back. So to use this, I know that you used print and a lot of other stuff. No, it's not right. This is what normally a beginner can do. So you don't know much more than what you saw in the video. But we're gonna be using also another function that's called input. It's used to maybe give the user a chance to give us maybe like his name, his age, and a lot of stuff. Let's create a variable. Let's call it name. It will equal, as we said, int. Let's open these things right in there. Input. Let's open these things again. Maybe enter the name of user. Maybe the name, or maybe enter your name. Easy. Of the user. So it's easy. Let's try now. Enter the name of the user. So now it's waiting for us. See? Now if you clicked in here, it's waiting for us to put in there something. So we'll print maybe let's print any name, okay? Let's print Rashid, okay? Let's write Rashid. Or write every name you want. There's no big deal. Oh my god. What did happen now? Int, I just gave you a trick. Int is not for it. Int means numbers, not letters. So this was a little trick for me. If you don't, if you get it, if you did the exercise right, if you saw that there's something that's not good about this program, then you've learned something. But if you don't, no problems, you should repeat the video. So this video was actually short, no problems. We learned three basics, three things. We learned the print function, we need the type of informations in Python, and we also learned the input function. So in the next video, I'll give you a simple exercise. You need to upload PyCharm or Python, they're the same actually. I need you to make a program that asks the user of his name and his age, okay? And that's all. We need you to do that. And if your program is working, they will show you nothing. But if your program is not working, they will show you this in red, and you should read it, okay? So thanks for watching. I'm very sorry because I've been too late, and goodbye.